Introducing the stunning 2024 Volvo XC90 Recharge T8 Plus AWD in sleek silver. With only 20,000 miles on the clock, this estate-style vehicle is powered by a 2-litre petrol-electric engine with an automatic transmission. Loaded with comfort and accessories, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, this Volvo will make every drive a pleasure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking included. Enjoy the luxurious interior with third-row seats, cup holders, and a load cover parcel shelf. Plus, security and styling features like roof rails and a sunroof add extra value. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, comprehensive warranty, and more. Contact us now at spiritmotorgroup.ie to make this Volvo XC90 Recharge yours today.